1821, Mexico's free. Independence from Spain, that's history. Missions built first, then land grants came. Empresarios brought settlers, remember the name. Missions, presidios, towns on the land. Spanish legacy left still stands. Massanet and De Leon built the first mission. Escondine's towns carried on the vision. La Salle's mistake made Spain afraid, so East Texas missions quickly were made. Father Hidalgo shouted loud, El Grito de Dolores. The people rose up, chasing freedom's chorus. Gutierrez and McGee